Minasan konnichiwa. Today we are going to learn JLPT N4 Grammar Lesson 1. So today we are going to learn about in this form. We are going to cover these three topics. In this ka, in this ga. So let's see how to use this. In this. So used with the short form of the verb, adjective and noun. Mostly questions are used in this form and answer can be in MOS form or in this form. So let's see how to make in this form. In this and know this both are same. Know this is formal way. In this and know this will come with the verbs doshi, adjective keiyoshi and noun meishi. So let's see how to convert in this form. For verb, add in this form with the short form. Here is the example. Taberu. Taberun des. For present positive. Tabeitan des. For past. Tabenai des. For present negative. Tabenakattan des. Past negative. Here taberu, tabeita, tabenai, tabenakatta. This is the short form of the verb. Just add in this form with this short form. Taberun des, tabeitan des, tabenain des, tabenakattan des. For next one is E adjective. How to make in this form for E adjective? Add in this with the short form of the E adjective. For example, atsui, hot. Atsuin des. Atsu kattan des. Atsuku nain des. Atsuku nakattan des. Atsuin des is present positive. Atsu kattan des, past tense. Atsuku nain des, present negative. Atsuku nakattan des, past negative. Just add in this with the short form of E adjective. Next one, for na adjective, add in this with the short form. Kantan des. Kantan nan des. Present positive. Kantan dattan des. Past. Kantan ja nain des. Present negative. Kantan ja nakattan des. Past negative. It may be look like difficult. So please try to do exercise with this sentence. Next one, noun. For noun, it is very simple. Add noun plus in this. Hon nan des. Hon dan des. Past. Honja nain des. Present negative. Honja nakattan des. Past negative. Just add this with the noun. Short form of the noun. Hon nan des. Hondan des, honjanain des, honjanakattan des. So let's see how to use in this form. In this, used to explain causes, reasons, etc. In this is spoken language and know this is used in written language, formal way. Let's see some examples. Basuga konakattan des. Bus. Konakatta. Past tense of kuru. Konakattan des. Because bus did not come. Here expressing the reason. You can also tell Basiga Konakata. That is also correct way to tell. But somebody is speaking in this form, you should understand. That's why we have to study this in this form. And for exam it will come. Chotto kibunga varuindes. Chotto kibunga varuindes. I don't feel well. Kibunga varu means not feeling good. In this form we don't use for your daily life, but you should know when somebody is speaking in this form, you should know what they are speaking. And this will come in your exam, JLPT exam, and also it will help you for Chokai, listening section. Next one, just add ka to ask question. When the speaker guesses the reason, confirm whether it is correct or not, which he or she seen or heard. Just ask question to confirm that whether it is correct or not. Let's see some examples. Mai asa shinbun wo yomimasu ka? Mai asa, every morning. Shinbun, newspaper. Wo yomimasu ka? Read. Do you read a newspaper every morning? Iie, jikan ga nain desu. Iie, no. Jikan, time. Ga nain desu. No, I don't have a time. You can also ask, Mayasa shinbun wo yomun desu ka? You can also ask in this form. Next one, when speaker asks about information which he or she seen or heard. Omoshiroi hon desu ne. Doko de kattan desu ka? Omoshiroi, interesting. Hon desu ne, book. Doko de, where? Kattan desu ka? The book look like interesting. Where did you bought? So next one, when speaker asks the listener to explain the reason. Doshite okkuretan desu ka? Doshite, why? Okkureru, late. Okkuretan desu ka? Why were you late? Basu ga konakattan desu. Because bus did not come. Here asking for a reason. So they are using in this form. Fourth one, when asking for an explanation of a situation, you can also use in this. Doshitan desu ka? Doshitan desu ka? What is the matter? Chotto kibun ga varuin desu. Chotto kibun ga varuin desu. I did not feel well. Next one, in this ga, used to introduce a topic, followed by a request, an invitation, an expression which seeking permission. Ga used to connect the sentence and indicate the hesitation on the speaker side. In this ga. Nihongo de tegami wo kaitan desu ga, chotto mite itadakemasen ka? Nihongo de, in Japanese. Tegami, letter. Wo kaitan desu ka? I have written. Chotto, mite itadakemasen ka? I have written letter in Japanese. Could you please check it for me? Here the person is asking with a hesitation. So it is used in this ga. Kaitan desu ga. I have written, but can you please check it for me? Like this you have to use in this ga. Misu ga nain desu ga, doshitara ii desu ka? Misu, water. Nain desu ga, there is no water. Doshitara. Ii desu ka? There is no water. What can I do? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.